Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you WordPress WooCommerce Dokan Multi-Vendor. Add custom page inside the vendor's dashboard. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. We see the multi-vendor dashboard. WordPress WooCommerce works well. See, and also you can see one custom nav menu help center that I have created, and I will click on it. See, and that page the content is showing. And guys, this is the demo and I am making it for more versatile. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. Here's my blog. Contact this page. In this page, you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your work. Also, on my blog, you will get multiple free things for WooCommerce, Dokan, WordPress, Angular, React.js, and so on. All are free. See, here's the demo as well. You can see on my blog as well. See, there are multiple things you will get on my blog. And friends, this is it for today. After it, I will come with more demo. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Also, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.